Hey guys, Josh here from Easy-Kleen. Today we're here with one of our enclosed trailers. In the video today, it's a 10-foot fully enclosed Tandem 5,200-pound axles, fully insulated floors, walls, and roof. And we're going to do a quick walk around, show you the unit. It's a unique one. It's been custom designed for our customer. For this customer, it's a boat wash station, so they're going to plug into their shore power, and when the operators pull up, they'll be able to pressure wash their boats off. They set the wand on the ground after 30 seconds, the machine will shut off, protects itself. So where this is going to have many users, it's a foolproof machine. You don't have to worry about anybody damage your pump or the motor, so it's a turnkey package for them. We're just going to walk around, do a quick highlight of all the key features here. And at the front of our trailer, guys, you'll see we have our checker plating. So this is great for going up and down the highway. You got rocks, debris flying up. You're not going to damage your metal. So that's an added protection that's standard on all our trailers. Another nice thing is our heavy duty jack. You're not going to find that on most trailer manufacturers. That's going to be a special order. This here is a heavy duty 12,000-pound jack. That is a real nice feature. It doesn't matter if you're getting a 12-foot trailer, 10-foot trailer, they're always going to come with that heavy duty jack. Another nice feature is our adjustable coupler, standard on all our trailers. You're not going to find that. That's a special order from any other trailer manufacturer. So that's a huge game changer. People are traveling with different vehicles, so this could be hooked on one day to an F-250, tomorrow it could be hooked on to an F-450. So that just makes it nicer for hauling up and down the highway. We're going to go around and show you some more of the key features. So on our curbside door here, guys, we also have a special order here. This is a 4-inch access door. So instead of having this curbside open, you can just feed the hose out. Again, where this is going to be at a boat wash station, you don't want people going in and out and messing around with your equipment. This is padlocked shut. Just the hose is out here at the wand, so when they're washing boats, nobody can get in and access that machine unless they're authorized. Nice thing about our trailers is our steps, so vertically challenged people like myself, easier to get in and out of these trailers. We have our 2-inch quick fill here, so if you have a hydrant, water main, you can do a quick fill. That's plumbed into our tank. On this trailer, it was special ordered with a garden hose connection. Inside the water tank, there's a float in there. So as they're hooking up to the water, that will fill that tank. Once that float, it'll shut the hose off. Once the operators start using it, that float drops, it'll keep filling that tank up and won't flood out your trailer. So inside here, guys, as you see, we have our Alpha unit here. It's a 4 gallons per minute, 3,000 PSI, 390,000 BTUs. It's got a 7.5 horsepower, 220 single phase. It is available in 3-phase. This is a unique application. This is a boat wash station. So they have water available, they have power available, but they want everything accessed so they can move this around. There's fishing tournaments and stuff, so this will be traveling, following the fishing tournament, so clean the boats off before they go from lake to lake. Another nice safety feature that we have on here is our burner stack cover. So it's tied in. If the operator forgets to open up the stack here for our boiler, the burner will not light until that is open. So if the operator forgets to do that, it'll protect itself, so you won't smoke out this trailer. So we have our 300-foot A-frame hose reel with 100 feet of hose. Down below, we do have a spot for another hose reel down the road. And underneath, we have our 35-gallon antifreeze tank. So it's completely plumbed in. Open the ball valve, run the antifreeze through your system, your hoses. You don't have to worry about anything freezing up on you. The customer went with a 225-gallon water tank. Typically, we go larger, but where they have water available, and they have a water connection, and we have the float on this, there's no need for a huge water source. 225 will do them just fine. They've got enough water supply there. We have our LED lights in here, so when you're operating, if you have to work on stuff, you can turn your LEDs, you can see stuff. Completely metal line, fully insulated floors, fully insulated walls and roof. So at the rear of the trailer, guys, barn-style doors. So everything's easy to access. Step to get in, makes it easier for vertical challenge people. So where this is a boat wash station, there's going to be signage, there's going to be pylons, there's going to be people manning this, so there'll be lawn chairs, so lots of storage, easy to get in and out of. One of the nice features of all our enclosed trailers, they're all going to come with a spare tire. We delivered a trailer one time, got a flat tire, so the owner was part of that. So ever since then, everybody gets a spare tire with the trailer in case that happens. So that's usually an option. standard on all our trailers. So if you want to learn some more about our trailers, or if you have a special application, give us a call today at 1-800-315-5533.